ओके प्रीवियस क्लास रे आम डिस्कस करथिले व्हाट आर द कंटेंट फॉर सेकेंडरी मेटाबॉलिक प्रोडक्शन थ्रू प्लांट टिश्यू कल्चर। तो एबे आम डिटेल्स डिस्कस करिवा व्हाट इज सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट, देन टाइप ऑफ सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट and biosynthesis pathway of secondary metabolites. Okay, so what is secondary metabolites? Now secondary, first we discuss about metabolites or phytochemicals. Now phytochemical compounds are produced by plant are collectively referred as chemicals which are produced by plant. These are called phytochemicals. Phytochemicals are divided into two categories. One is primary metabolites, another is secondary metabolites. What is primary metabolites? The compounds or the phytochemicals which are used by plant for their growth, development and all physiological metabolism are called primary metabolites. Like protein, lipid, carbohydrate, fat, these are primary metabolites which are used for plant for growth, development, respiration, photosynthesis, transpiration, photorespiration, etc. And the secondary metabolites are the compound or phytochemical which are not participated for the growth and development. These are used for plant protection against enemy, competition and interaction of species to species, for pollination. These are called secondary metabolites. Then biotechnologists have special interest to produce large number of commercially, medicinally, cosmetically important bioactive compound or secondary metabolites through tissue culture. Now these compounds we can easily produce in a large quantity through plant tissue culture without hampering the natural habitats. These compounds are used in pharmaceutically for flavor, for fragrance, cosmetic, food value. These compounds also used as antimicrobial agent, as anti-cancer agent, antifungal agent, anti-inflammatory agent, etc. Secondary metabolites play a pivotal role or key role in keeping all of the plant system working properly, like protection, competition, species interaction. The term secondary metabolites was coined by Albert Kochli in 1910 and he got a Nobel Prize for medicine and physiology. Then secondary metabolites are produced. How secondary metabolites are produced? Now, primary metabolites and secondary metabolites are not distinguished or separated by their precursor molecule because now the biosynthesis pathway of primary metabolites and secondary metabolites are same, but when the biosynthetic pathway is changed or mute of a primary metabolite pathway when mutation or changed. At this stage, secondary metabolites are produced or some new compounds are produced which are not used by plant for their growth and development. These are called secondary metabolites. So we can say secondary metabolites or secondary metabolism are produced due to mutation in the primary metabolic pathway. For example, in pyruvic acid pathway, suppose some mutation occurs, then it is converted into some new compounds which are not used by plants for their growth and development. These compounds are stored in the plant for their protection, for species interaction, for pollination, etc. Then here In the table, we discuss the role of primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. First, we see the function of a primary metabolites. Their help in replication, translation, transcription, photosynthesis, photorespiration, growth and development, etc. And primary function of a plant, they survive in their natural habitat, first thing, and second, they they reproduction to exist of their population in their natural habitat. And the function of a secondary metabolite helps in protection, competition, species interaction, pollination, nitrogen fixation, etc. Then, what are the type of secondary metabolites? Secondary metabolites are classified on the basis of their chemical structure, and they are broadly divided into three major categories. In some book mentioned, secondary metabolites are divided into four categories like terpene, phenolic compound, alkaloid, and flavonoid, etc. Alkaloid and flavonoid, etc. But actually, secondary metabolites are classified based on their chemical structure, based on their biosynthetic pathway. It is broadly divided into three major classes. First, terpene or terpenoids. Terpenoid is the oxidative form of terpenes and phenolic compound, then nitrogen containing compounds. What is a terpene? Here we discuss about terpenes. Terpene are polymer of isopentyl diphosphate, which is called IPP. IIP. It is the largest class or largest category of secondary metabolites. Under terpene, large number of compounds are present. So it is called the largest class of secondary metabolites. And terpenes are water insoluble because they are lipophilic in nature. In case of essential oil, the plant are fragrant sweet smell, and due to presence of essential oil, in the essential oil is the composition of terpenes. Different type of terpenes present in essential oil, so essential oil smell is wonderful or sweet smell. And the smallest unit of a terpene is called IIP or isopentyl diphosphate unit, which is 5 carbon atom compound. Here classified as the terpene containing carbon atom 10 is called monotropine, 20 ditropine, 30 tritropine, 40 tetatropine. It is formed by the biosynthetic pathway like acetate pathway or melavonic pathway. Second pathway is methyl erythritol phosphate pathway, or which is called MEP pathway. Okay, question asked na terpene is synthesized by which pathway, or suppose किसी compound रो name दे दबो, it is synthesized by which pathway. Na terpene is synthesized by mevalonic pathway, mevalonic acid pathway and methyl erythritol phosphate pathway. जोटा कि आम कहीपर एसीटेट और मेभालोनिक एसिड पाथवे, अनदर हूँ कौन मिथाइल एरिथ्रोटोल फॉस्फेट पाथवे और एमईपी पाथवे. देन आम देखा ये कौन हो ना मेभालोनिक एसिड पाथवे कौन आम देखा कौन हो ना मेभालोनिक एसिड पाथवे it occurs in cytosol of the cell. Here acetyl CoA is 2 carbon atom compound. And when acetyl CoA join with another acetyl CoA by enzyme thiolase, it is converted into acetoacetyl CoA, which is a 4-carbon compound. Then acetoacetyl CoA converted into 6-carbon compound by adding another acetyl CoA to form 3-hydroxy 3-methyl glutaryl CoA, which is called HMG CoA. Then it is converted into mevalonic acid. Mevalonic acid, after pyrophosphorylation, decarboxylation, then dehydration, it is converted into isopentyl diphosphate, okay, which is called IIP, isopentyl diphosphate, or which is converted into isopentyl diphosphate, and it is also converted into dimethyl allyl diphosphate. Both are exchanged, means isopentyl diphosphate converted into converted into dimethyl allyl diphosphate, or dimethyl allyl diphosphate again converted into isopentyl diphosphate. These are isomers. Then देखिबा MEP pathway कौन ना MEP pathway is carried out in the plastid of a cell. Here, after in glycolysis, pyruvate is produced. In Calvin cycle, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is produced. These are combined with each other to form one, and carbon dioxide release combined to form 1-deoxy deoxylose 5-phosphate, which is called DXP. It is 5-carbon atom. It is a 5-carbon atom, and then it is converted into MEP. Then it break into 2 type of compound form. One is isopentyl diphosphate, another is dimethyl allyl diphosphate. In this pathway, terpenes are produced. Here giving some example of terpenes, like myrcene, a linear terpene. What is the function of this terpene? It is used in perfume industry for preparation of a perfume. Then linoline is a cyclic terpene which is used in cosmetic industry for production of cosmetic products, in food manufacturing industry. This is present in the skin of a citrus fruit. Then methanol is a menthol is a cyclic terpene. It is present in peppermint. It is used in local anesthesia, relief for throat irritation, etc. Then absinthe is a cyclic terpene. It is also used in perfume industry. Then camphor, it is present in camphor tree. It is used in anesthetic and antibacterial activity. Then selenin, it is used for reduce blood pressure. Then beta carotene, it is present in carrot. It is also precursor of vitamin D. Then we read about phenolic compound. Phenolic compounds, second category of a secondary metabolite, which is called phenolic compound. Phenolic compounds are water soluble. It is derived from 3 aromatic amino acids like phenylalanine, tyrosine, and tryptophan. Okay. Most of the phenolic compounds are synthesized from phenylalanine or derived from phenylalanine. Okay. These secondary metabolite or phenolic compounds are synthesized or biosynthesis by biosynthetic pathway of shikimic acid pathway. In shikimic acid pathway, 3 aromatic amino acids are formed. Another pathway is phenyl propanoid pathway and malonic acid pathway. फास्ट आम डिस्कस करते इन टर्पिन ले मेभालोनिक एसिड पाथवे रे सिंथेसिस होची कौन ना टर्पिन एठी आम पढ़ुचे कौन ना मेलानिक एसिड पाथवे phenolic compounds are synthesized by Shikimic acid pathway, phenyl propanoid pathway, and melanonic pathway. Okay, these compounds have the following roles like structural component of cell wall. They are act as a toxin and antioxidant for plant defense, coloring agent of flower, fruit, aroma component of organs, and antioxidant of woods. It also help to provide mechanical support to plant and protect from harmful UV radiation. Okay. Then these are phenolic compound biosynthesis pathway like Shikimic pathway. Already ମୁଁ କହିଛି Shikimic pathway in Shikimic acid pathway रे कौन होची ना 3 aromatic amino acid synthesis होचुंती. Then phenyl propanoid pathway another is phenyl propanoid acetate pathway. ଗୋଟେ और मेभालोनिक pathway. फास्ट देखिए Shikimic acid pathway रे कौन होची ना Shikimic acid pathway रे कौन होची ना पेंटोज पायरोफॉस्फेट कन्वर्ट होची कौन ना एरिथ्रोज 4 फॉस्फेट एपटर ग्लाइकोलाइसिस रे कौन होची ना फॉस्फोएनोल पायरुविक एसिड दुटा कंबाइन हैला परे कौन होची ना 7 कार्बन कंपाउंड इंटरमीडिएट गुड कंपाउंड फॉर्मेशन होची देन दीज कंपाउंड आर साइक्लोलाइज्ड लाइक फिनोल स्ट्रक्चर देन डिहाइड्रेटेड देन reduced to form Shikimate. Then Shikimate convert Shikimate 3 phosphate. Shikimate 3 phosphate converted into 5-enol pyrovile Shikimate 3 phosphate. Then it is converted into Corismate. Corismate ru ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଏଇଠି ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଡିଭାଇଡ୍ ହେଉଛି ବାଇଫର୍କେଟ୍ ହେଇକି ଦୁଇଟା କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି ଆନ୍ଥ୍ରାନିଲେଟ୍ ଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ହେଉଛି ଆନ୍ଥ୍ରାନିଲେଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ କନଭର୍ଟେଡ୍ ଇନଟୁ ଟ୍ରିପ୍ଟୋଫାନ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଆମେ ପାଇଗଲେ କ'ଣ ଏଠି ନା ଆରୋମେଟିକ୍ ଆମାଇନୋ ଏସିଡ୍ ସେକେଣ୍ଡରେ କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି ନା କରିସ୍ମେଟ୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚରେ ଡିଭାଇଡ୍ ହେଇକି କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି ନା କରିସ୍ମେଟ୍ म्यूटेज ଯେତେବେଳେ ହେଉଛି ସେଇଠୁ କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି ନା ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ୍ ଥ୍ରୋ କରିସ୍ମେଟ୍ ମ୍ୟୁଟେଜ୍ ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଏନ୍ଜାଇମ୍ ସେ କନଭର୍ଟ କାହାକୁ କରୁଛି ନା କରିସ୍ମେଟ୍କୁ ଇଣ୍ଟୁ ଫିନାଇଲ୍ ଆଲାନାଇନ୍ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଟାଇରୋସିନ୍ ଓକେ ଦେନ୍ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ଫିନାଇଲ୍ ପ୍ରୋପାନଏଡ୍ ପାଥୱେ ଏଠି କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି ନା Shikimic acid pathwayରୁ ଆମେ ଯେଉଁ ତିନିଟା aromatic amino acid paile we found 3 aromatic amino acid. These aromatic amino acid are deamination to form different type of phenolic compounds. हमें देखिबा एठी the tyrosin जेतले deamination होची when tyrosin deamination to form fumaric acid then 4-hydroxycinnamic acid and phenyl alanine is converted into cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acid is converted into coumarin. Then cinnamic acid is also converted into coumaric acid. Coumaric acid converted into ferulic acid. Then ferulic acid to convert to lignin. That like here tryptophan is converted into IAA, which is phenolic compound, which is used in a tissue culture as oxygen. Cinnamic acid is also converted into flavonoids and then it is converted into condensed tannin. Second thing is in the last time the last secondary metabolite compound or secondary metabolites which is called nitrogen containing compound. Their pathway is also they are also synthesized by Shikimic acid pathway. Okay. Then phenyl propanoid acetate pathway. Here 3 unit melanine CoA combine with either 1 unit of coumaryl CoA or 1 unit of cinnamyl CoA. Either coumaryl CoA or cinnamyl CoA. By the help of when enzyme function Chalcone synthase it is converted into 2,4,4,6 tetrahydroxychalcone. Tetrahydroxychalcone is converted into naringenin. The naringenin is converted into flavon, flavonol, anthocyanin, etc. But when stilbene synthase is work, then it is converted into stilbene. Stilbene is brown color compound which is present in the trunk of middle center of the trunk, which produce cambial ring, brown color structure. It provide mechanical support to the plants. Then what are the important compounds or important enzymes which help in the biosynthesis of a phenolic compound? These are important enzymes which are help in the biosynthesis of a phenolic compound. Okay, then what is the use of phenolic compound? Now act as a UV sunscreen. Phenolic compounds are act as a screen inside the epidermal cell layer by making adjustment of antioxidant system at both cell and whole organism level. Like flavon involved in UV screening due to their strong absorbance in UVA and B wavelength. Then phenolic is a signaling compound. Polyphenol enter in the soil mainly as leachate directly affect the rate of decomposition of a nutrient cycling. Then it act as allelopathic effect. It act as symbiosis or help in symbiosis. Then phenylene compound used as a pigment or coloring agent in food industry like anthocyanin, anthocyanidin. Then phenolic in plant growth means phenolic compounds also help in plant growth and development like ferulic acid inhibit germination of a seed. Coumarin acid found more in a rapidly germinating seed of Melittus alba. Here phenolic terpene is gallic acid and gentisic acid found in Mimosa pudica. Flavonoids have a role in the function of a pollen development in petunia plant. Okay, the last secondary metabolite, last one is called nitrogen containing secondary metabolites, which are heterocyclic ring-like structure. They are synthesized from common amino acids. Okay, and they have high medicinal value. Alkaloids, glycerol alkaloid, glycosidic alkaloid, these are under the category of nitrogen containing compounds. Okay, they are also synthesized from shikimic acid pathway. Okay, next ଆମେ discuss କରିବା the production of a secondary metabolite through tissue culture. ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟା ମୁଁ ବନେଇବି ମୁଁ ସେୟାର କରିବି ନେକ୍ସଟ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ। ତ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଡିଟେଲ୍ସ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ how to produce secondary metabolite through plant tissue culture, what is the technique, different pathway of plant tissue culture, which factor which affect on the production of secondary metabolites, how to isolate, how to purify, तो जोटा कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो में शेयर करी। तो आज एतिक आम डिस्कस कले कौन ना व्हाट इज सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट, types of secondary metabolite, the biosynthesis pathway of secondary metabolites, their uses. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखिया पाई तो ए वीडियो को लाइक करंतु, शेयर करंतु और सब्सक्राइब करंतु। ओके, थैंक यू।